Dear ECM friend, I hope this message finds you positive, well, in high spirits, and I also wanted to thank you personally once again for your close cooperation, for your support, and in this time of hardship also for your such a strong sense of community and close connections. This year, 2020, will be difficult for many reasons. One of them also because we cannot meet in person as we usually do. Our spring conference in Graz has been postponed already. And now I have a new message for you because we additionally needed to take the decision to postpone the upcoming international conference in Poznan, the beautiful Polish city, scheduled for this June 2020, and it's going to be postponed to autumn 2021. We are looking for this new opportunity, and I would in this message also like to especially thank Poznan Tourism Organization for their flexibility and for their professionalism in managing this for all of us difficult situation. In the meantime, we are continuing to empower our mutual conversations. We want to discuss regularly what the new tomorrow looks like, to combine your innovative power and creative minds, to charge it with new perspectives from the outside, and to explore what might come. We launched a new series of communication over the coming weeks and months in a collaboration with Group NAO. And the purpose is to share the ideas and the challenges, to find the inspiration in DMO's new practices and different approaches, and to envision together with all of you a new future of destination rebuild. There is already a lot of content available on the coronavirus impact on the tourism and the travel industry and the crisis situations of DMOs, but our ECM initiative aims to make focused, relevant and valuable information and inspiration easily accessible and digestible to you, to all of us ECM members, so stay tuned. And additional information, we will have General Assembly as planned, meaning 10th of June, which would take place in beautiful Polish city of Poznan, but now we will have it virtually. So please take note that the date of our next General Assembly will take place as initially planned on June 10th at 17:05 p.m. CET time, and agenda and the actual voting system we will send you at the beginning of May. In the meantime, stay tuned, stay safe, and stay brave. Thank you, and see you soon, first virtually and hopefully in person very, very soon. Bye-bye.